Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning on how we can fix all Windows 11 problems in our laptop or computer. And so for that, we will be entering the automatic repair window. So to do that, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go look for settings. Now once found, please make a click on that. And then the moment you do that, you will be able to see the Windows Update at the very bottom part here in the left pane. So please make a click on Windows Update, and this time we will be making a scroll down. So please go with advanced option if you see it. So click on that, delivery optimization, optional updates, active hours, and other update settings. Now once you click on that, you will get this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to go with the additional options there, and you will find the recovery. So please select the recovery where we can reset, advanced startup, and go back. So now we have the recovery option section. We need to click on this advanced startup, restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from a disk or USB drive. Now once you click on restart now, you will see this small window coming up. We'll restart your device to save your work. So from here, please save your work first before clicking on this restart button here. So I'll be only telling you on what keys or options that you need to click on, because the moment I enter the automatic repair window, the video recorder application that I am using to record my screen right now will be automatically be turned off. That's why the video will be cut. So I won't be doing that. And I'll just say to you on what to click on. So first, when you enter the automatic repair window, the blue window there, please go with advanced options. And from there, you need to click on troubleshoot. And once you click on troubleshoot, you will see their advanced options again. So please click again advanced options. And from there, you can try to click on the startup repair button. And once you click on that and it says that the Windows or the system can't fix your problem, then please go back again and then click on the command prompt. So from there, I can now guide you on what command to enter or type in the command prompt. So let me just quickly open the command prompt window. So here in the best match, we have the command prompt. Let me just quickly open it. So in the command prompt window, all you need to do is just to type the command for the system file checker provided by the, or a tool provided by Microsoft. So here we need to type SFC. Let me just type it in small letters. So we have SFC space / scan now. And once you have already typed this command, all you need to do is just to click on enter and it will begin the system scan. So this process will take some time, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. So just wait for this verification phase of the system scan to be completed. And then once it is already completed, you can now click on the continue. So just close this window and then just click on the continue button there. You will see a continue button and then you have now already repaired or fixed all the Windows 11 problems that you have there in your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.